Hi, I'm Kath and I work for the Carers Unit at Ceredigion County Council. We are really excited to be offering an opportunity for a business administration apprentice to join our team for a period of 12 months. So I'm here to tell you a little bit more about us. We are a small and friendly team and we're very passionate about improving things and making them better for carers. We're always trying to raise the bar, and our main purpose is to maintain and improve services for carers of all ages across Ceredigion. We are a busy team. We are always working on lots of different projects in addition to our day-to-day functions and responsibilities. And we've recently been awarded the Gold Level Investors in Carers for the work that we do with and for carers. So to support us with the different things that we're working on, but also to help maintain those high level of services as well, we're looking for someone who has good communication and IT skills, who cares about the quality of work that they do, and who can enjoy or does enjoy being part of a team, but can also use their initiative and work solo when required as well. So if that does sound like you, we want to hear from you. In the apprenticeship role, you'd be supported and mentored every single step of the way. So you'd learn about the council, you'd learn about our team's place within it, and how we connect with the many teams across the organisation. You would very much become part of our team. You'd have a really good insight into everyone's experience, and you'd be very much encouraged to bring your own ideas to the table too. To give you an idea of the day-to-day duties that you might carry out, you could be processing payments, invoices and carers fund applications. You could be learning to organise and provide administrational support to small-scale carers events, for example, training events for carers. Or you could be dealing with straightforward inquiries on email, by telephone, that sort of thing. But I will say that's just a snapshot and no 2 days are ever the same. In my opinion, there are lots of benefits to working here in the council. So as well as getting a really interesting work experience with us in the unit, you'd also get a chance to learn what it's like to work as part of a big organisation. There are a lot of training opportunities, for example, and that's just one of the perks of working for a big organisation. It would give you an opportunity to connect with other colleagues across the council and get an insight into the variety of work that they do. It's also a chance to perfect your key skills. Your key skills such as teamwork, person-centred skills, organisational skills, they are the cornerstone of most, if not all, jobs out there in the world of work. So that would help whatever career you decide to do and go ahead and do in the future. The council provides a huge amount of services out in the community. You'd be absolutely amazed at the range of functions and teams here. And if there's one thing that the COVID-19 pandemic has actually shown me, is the people who work here genuinely care about the people living out in the communities across Ceredigion. That makes me very proud to be part of an organisation with real heart and soul, as I see it. Despite traditional stereotypes, the council is an exciting place to work, in my opinion. There is a lot of change happening at the moment, and in the way that services are being delivered, and we're looking to the future a lot more. We're doing that by being smarter with technology, while also still striving for a more person-centred service for all. So if you have questions that you want to ask us, please just get in touch. Our contact details are in the job description, so please just get in touch. Good luck with your application, and we're really looking forward to hearing from you. Diolch yn fawr.